Hello, friends. Hello. Hello. If anybody has joined, just ping me a hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Who has joined? Ping me a hi so that I can know that you guys have joined. Hello. Let's wait for some people to join. I can see only one person has joined till now. We are going to make this beautiful flowers today to make a bouquet greeting card. Hey, hi, Bina. So, all set with your materials? Okay, let me tell you what all you require for today's this greeting card. Then I'll give you introduction, okay? I'm just giving you, or shall we wait so that people can join, and then I'll show you what materials are required. Okay, let me give you a brief introduction first. I am Anita Gupta from Creative Canvas, and Creative Canvas is running from past 2 years, and we conduct various art and craft related workshops. Till now, all the workshops were conducted at home, where it is all for all the beginners of all age group, and various canvas paintings, origami, bottle art, everything is covered at our place. And now the situations have changed, so we are going live and now teaching online. We need to adapt to the new changes. Okay, so few people have joined in, so let me tell you what all things we need a scissor, colorful papers, okay, whatever color you have at your home. If you don't have any colorful paper, then right now you can, for learning, you can use even your newspaper, okay. Later when you get the colorful paper, then you can do with the colorful papers. And then we need this ice cream sticks, pencil, eraser, and glue. Okay, so let's begin. You will also need something to create a circle. If you have a protector, fine, else you can take some caps or some bowls, okay. So just get all your materials and we'll begin. I'll just wait for 1 minute so that you gather all your materials, okay. Then we will begin. And you need one base base paper also, like this, any base paper on top of which we are going to do our greeting card. Okay, so I hope you guys have gathered all the materials. Now let's begin. Let's begin first with the flowers, because they are the important thing. Okay, see, I have got this bowl to make a circle. You can use anything, and we require various different shapes, so you can take various size bowls or cap of your this cans, anything, to cut round circles. Like this, circles we need to cut. I'm audible, guys, right? And everything is clearly visible. Okay, so let's begin. I'll take one circle. I'll cut one circle and show you what you have to do. Okay, see, like this, I'm placing the bowl, just making a circle, and first we'll cut this circle. Yeah, if kids are doing, just take help of your parents if you are not able to cut it yourself. Okay, and if you can do it yourself, it's good. But I have noticed that many kids have never holded even a scissor, and this is not a straight cut, it is little curvy shape, so maybe you will require parents' help. See, like this, you have to keep rotating your paper so the circle shape comes proper. We don't need exactly proper round, but at least it should look like a circle. Okay, so after cutting, what you have to do, make spiral shape. You can see, right? It's visible clearly now. Okay, so what you have to do is just make a spiral shape. I'll make it darker for you so that you can see, but you guys make it light. Okay, on camera it might not be visible, so I'm making it little dark. So like this, you have to make a spiral shape. Okay, got it? Like this, a spiral shape till inside, and then we have to cut this, whatever line that we have made in a spiral shape, we have to cut that. So we'll begin cutting on the line that we made. Hope you guys are doing it along with me. If you do it along with me, it's good, because you'll come to know if you are facing any problem. I'm here to solve it for you. If you do it later and any problem comes, then you won't get any help. You can DM me, but practically I can show you here only. And this thing is like, if I guide you on phone, it won't work. You need to see how it's done. So just ask me any queries here itself and do it parallelly with me. You can use these flowers not only in greeting cards, but to decorate anything, even a bottle, even your pen holder, wherever a flower can be used, at all that places you can use. See, like this, a spiral is ready. Okay, can you see? Like this, a spiral is ready. And now I will roll it. We have to begin from the outside and just start rolling it inside. Like this, we have to keep rolling it inside. Okay, like this we have to keep rolling till we get to the end. Just keep rolling. Okay, see, like this it has rolled. Now just keep it and let it come outside. Like this, one flower is ready. What we have to do now, just stick it. Now you have to apply glue here inside. Okay, my bottle glue is not coming. If glue doesn't come, just apply or poke some pin. Okay, if we don't use it or if we keep the bottle open, the glue will not come easily. Like this, apply glue on the base. Okay, and then stick it. See, like this you have to just hold for a few seconds. Once the glue is little dry, we can leave it. Okay, a beautiful flower is ready, but we have to hold it because the weather is also little bit this moisture now, so it will take time to dry. Just hold it few more seconds till the glue is little dry. Okay, Sheetal is saying just join, please guide. No problem, I'll show you more. We have just made this flower and I am going to show you multiple times so that you can easily make it yourself. If anybody is facing any problem, just ask me, and it's best if you make it along with me. Step by step I am guiding you. Make it along with me so that if you face any query, you can ask me here itself and I can clear your doubt. Okay, see, this is ready. A beautiful flower is ready. I'll show you a close-up like this. Okay, now I am showing you a circle. Who has joined late now, I am showing for them how to cut a circle. I have taken a bowl to cut a circle, but you can take anything that is available with you. Even if you have a protector, it's best. With protector we can make any shape, and we don't require any particular shape. If you take a bigger circle, your flower will be big, and if you take a smaller circle, your flower will be small. See, like this a circle is marked, and now I am going to cut a circle from this. Just keep rotating your paper. The more colors you add, the more attractive it looks. And we do not require exactly ekdam proper that it has to be very very precise, but yeah, at least it should look like a circle so that the that circular shape of the rose is visible. See, now a circle is ready. I'll show you the ones that I have made previously. See, like this, these are various different size circles, and so the size of the flowers is also different, and this is the one that we made right now, like this. What is the next step? I'm showing you. Okay. Hi Jinal, what you want me to show again? I'm showing you the full process only again, making the flower itself again. Okay, now what you have to do, take one side and start marking spiral shape. Okay, I'll do it darker for you so that you guys can see. Otherwise you do it light, don't make it dark. Like this, circular shape you have to go till the inner part. Okay, can you see how we have went inside? Like this spiral. Now we have to cut this, whatever that we have marked, we have to cut it. See how I am rotating and cutting it. Same way you have to do. Like this, a spiral will be ready. Now, this end we have to take and make a fold. Let's go and make a fold. ऐसे रोटेट करना है, just keep rotating inside. If you think this is we are not able to do it properly ना, थोड़ा सा कट कर दो. Okay, small, like this, a little bit. So just rotate. Keep rotating till the end. 1 second guys. Okay, sorry. So like this you have to keep rotating. How to cut it? We have to cut on the spiral that we have marked. Okay, and cutting, if you don't know, please take help of your parents or whosoever elder is available around you. Cutting is something that I cannot guide you how you have to do. You have to know how to hold a scissor and how to cut. If you don't know, you have to take other self. Okay, so like this, a beautiful flower is ready. We have to do the process of sticking. So let's take glue and stick it. Hope you guys are doing along with me. Who all are doing, just give a thumbs up. I want each and everyone to do. If you don't have this colorful paper, you can take right now a newspaper or any other paper lying around and just practice, so that later when the colorful papers are available, you can make it. Now I have applied a glue and just hold it for some time. It will take time to dry, guys, because of the weather. Okay, now it has dried. Let it dry. I'll show you one smaller one. Okay, see, like this, a small circle I have cut. Now same thing we have to do is make a spiral. Like this, you have to make a spiral. Can you see? Got it? How we have to make a spiral? Everyone can see, right? Any doubt in making the spiral? Now, after making the spiral, we have to cut it on the lines that we have marked. Just rotate and cut it with a scissor. Okay, then we have to do folding. From here we'll start folding it inside. Okay, just roll it, keep on rolling it. Everyone is able to follow, right? Any doubt, just message, because I cannot see from here what you guys are doing. See, a beautiful flower will be ready. If I'll open it, it will become little big, but I want a smaller bud type, so I'm not opening it. And just applying a glue here and stick it. And just hold it for a few seconds so that it dries. Once it dries, then only you keep it down. If you keep it down without letting it dry, it will open up. वो खुल जाएगा. So don't do that. Let it dry. Just waiting for it to dry. So like this we have made. I have prepared few previously also, and here comes our bud, another bud. It has not dried, so it's opening, so I need to hold it for some more time. You guys are making it along with me, right? We need multiple flowers, lots of, at least 10 to 12 to put in the banquet. How to pronounce it? Banquet. A flower bouquet. Okay. So now let it just dry. I'm keeping it inside the flower so that it doesn't open. Till the time it dries. Now I'll show you a bigger one. I'm taking a bigger bowl. I'll show you bigger one. Just place like this your bowl, mark a circle, then cut a circle. I think kids who have cut and have practice can do it yourself, but kids who have never picked up the scissor will find it little difficult. Okay, the circle is ready. Now same thing again. I hope after showing so many 2 to 3 flowers you are confident now how to make it. Follow these simple steps. They are not difficult. Mark. I am showing it darker, you make it lighter. Distance doesn't matter so much because it will make flower when we will fold it now, then it's not visible even if this distance is not same. Okay, spiral shape is ready. Now we'll cut. And while cutting, even if it doesn't come on top of your pencil marks, it's fine. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर चलेगा, but remember that we need a spiral shape. This is a bigger paper, so a bigger flower will come out of it. We have done a bud, we have done a medium size flower, and now doing a bigger size. Because all the flowers are of not the same shape, we require various different shapes. Now the same process, what you have to do is take the tip, Again, if this tip is not getting fold, let's cut a little bit. Okay, just a little bit, not much. Then start folding. While folding, we have to be little careful so that it doesn't open up. You have to keep rolling. And these flowers, they are simple, but they look very nice. Nobody can know that it is easy to make, but when they see it, but they look very nice. After making 2-3 flowers, you will also be confident. If 1 or 2 gets wasted, it's okay. Just remember the steps. Steps are important. See, this is a lot of folds, so it will come a beggar with lots of petals. Rolling itself is making it so big. Now I open it. Oops, see? Isn't it beautiful? Miss, from how many circles we have to make? At least 10 to 12. Minimum 10 to 12. Now let's take glue here. And we have to keep holding it for some time till it dries. See how beautiful it's looking. Just hold and let it dry. If I leave it now, it will open up, so don't leave it till it dries. You guys are making, right? I want each and every one of you to make this along with me. After that, I'll show you leaves, how to make leaves. Okay, it's dried, so here it's ready. Now let's make leaves. Just a second, guys. I don't have green paper. I'll bring it. Oh, it has fallen. It's here only. So let's make petals. What you have to do is make semicircle. This will be placing at the back side, and this leaves also we need of various sizes, smaller, bigger, and leaves ka shape also you can have as per your wish, but at least it should look like a leaf. Like how I am telling now. मैं बता के दिखाती हूँ. These 3 are the simple leaves which have curve shape. Now if you want a proper rose wala shape, now what you do, you make a curve shape very light and then make cut, means I zoom it and show. दिख रहा है? Like this, go inside and go outside. Which shape it is making? Zigzag shape. Okay, roses leaves are like this zigzag shape, so you can make few like this also. Now let's cut them. Now the zigzag one, now what you do, see properly, what you do, you go ahead and cut everything around it. Don't go right now for the proper shape. उसके बाहर से काटो उसे, okay? So once the leaf is cut, now it is easier for us to rotate it. Okay, so now what we'll do, take inside and then outside. Our scissor has to go inside for cutting and outside. Simple, right? If you know how to hold a scissor, then this is simple. Once you have to go inside and then outside. For this you have to have the practice of holding scissor and cutting things. Go inside and outside. Go inside and outside. Go inside and come outside. Okay, so this is leaf with the zigzag shapes. Like this we have to make multiple leaves. Now after making the leaves, we will take our main paper on which we are going to make our card. Okay, this is, I am taking an A4 size paper from my drawing book. That was bigger, A3 size, it was very big, so I am taking now A4 size paper. You can take any paper, any size paper. I am taking A4 size. You can choose color also as per your wish, but as our flowers are colorful now, so if our background is white, it will look nice. See, so that's why I have taken white. Miss, wait. Okay, 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 I am waiting for you guys, but you won't be able to cover up so many in such time. Okay, so what you do, just right now make us 2-3 with me, and you can make them later. Miss, how to make a leaf? Okay, still I'll show you once again if you are not still confident how to make a leaf. what you have to do is first mark a semicircle, not exactly semicircle पर ऐसे curve mark करना है, like this curve shape. Can you see? And from here also one more curve shape on the other side. दोनों साइड कर्व शेप मार्क करना है. इफ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट द zigzag वाला ना, डोंट मेक दैट, मेक दिस सिंपल one curve from this side and the other curve from this side. Got it? And after that you have to cut it. I hope it is clear now how to make a leaf. And like this, different sizes you make, bigger, smaller, medium. Okay? Any doubt in making leaves still? Okay, now I am taking this A4 size paper and folding it to make a card shape. Yeah, from card I remember next Friday we are having Father's Day special tuxedo card we will make, which you can gift your father. You can learn here and gift it to your father. See, like this. Now a card shape we are making, and now we will use our ice cream sticks to make the vase. So just place. We need to cut this because these will be bigger size. If your paper is big, you can use that also. Okay, I'll mark and then I'll cut. I want this much, this much. Then we will stick it. We can cut it easily with our scissor. Your scissor has to be little sharp, but see. And now this base also. And if you don't have ice cream sticks, what you can do, that also I'll tell you in a bit, because it's possible all of you don't have ice cream sticks. Like this, and then you have to place it in middle also, and the one that we have cut, that we can use it. See, like this we will be making the vase. Just we need to stick it. And now if you don't have this, what you can do is take a brown paper, the one we get in the envelopes or with the carry bag. You can use any of them. Okay, and just cut like this strips. Cut like this strips and then stick them. So that way also you can do. And if you don't have a brown paper, what else you can do is take an white paper, color it brown, okay, with your this whatever colors you have, and then cut it and stick it. So these are the two alternatives. Now let me show you how to place the leaves and the flowers. So first we will stick the leaves behind, and let us stick them like random. Let them overlap also. I am showing right now the placement, later we will stick it like this. Now flowers you have to place. Just see to it that two colors do not come together. If they are little far ahead, इधर उधर रहेंगे ना तो अच्छा है. Okay. If see how many I have used, these are enough. I don't require this one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Right now I have 11, so that's what I was saying you to 10 to 12 you will need of different sizes. And then if leaves are going inside, we have to just pull them up. Okay, and different color green if you have, you can use like light green, dark green, different colors of different shades of green you can use for the leaves. Okay, so now let's start doing the sticking part. Got it? First you have to check placement. Once the placement is decided, then we can go ahead. I am keeping here little space to write our wish, whatever we want to write. Happy birthday or happy Mother's Day or happy Father's Day. Sorry, father को bouquet देंगे क्या, I don't know. So for that we have a tuxedo greeting card making next week. If your father likes flowers, no problem, we can give. Now let's stick. See, if you don't have, I have told you, you can use your this brown color paper, envelope वाला या फिर carry bag में जो आता है, okay, and then you can use it. It's not that everything we should have, we should use our creativity and try to do things in whatever we have. That's the way how our creative brain will start working. If everything is available, then brain को इतनी तकलीफ होगी ही नहीं and that creativity will not come out. So lockdown has taught us to manage with whatever we have. I have all this because you know I'm crazy about art and craft. So this stock was there available with me. Tomorrow we have canvas painting workshop, and it's a paid workshop wherein we will be doing canvas painting of a jellyfish. So those who are interested, today is the last date to enroll for it. That is something people have asked, demanded, so I have come up with that also. That is the specialty of creative canvas painting workshops. Oops, this is small. See, this side it is having space now. That place I'll cover with flowers so it won't be visible. And here, this I need to cut. And price I have kept very minimum. It's lockdown special offer, so don't miss, take advantage of it. And if you refer your friends, you'll get further 20% discount, that is 50 rupees. Guys, any doubt? If you are having any doubt, just ask me right now. You guys are making it along with me, right? Don't forget to share your pictures. So you can little bit give it a 3D shape also. So what you do, थोड़ा सा ऐसे fold कर दो. See, so it will look more better, nice. See, like this, थोड़ा सा उसे fold it and then stick from bottom. Just apply glue to the bottom part and stick. One we will stick down also. You can use this flowers at various places. So if you don't want to make like this bouquet, use your creativity and make something else. I'll be happy to see whatever you have created. Main thing is learning these flowers. See, they are not stuck, so they are coming out. Once this will stick, now they will not come out. Should I place this or enough? Oops. Okay. See, I will place one more leaf here, or downside. Let's place it downwards. But this is big, so it's not looking good. We'll place a smaller one only towards downwards. Side only I'll put. But it's going out of the card. Where did we place it earlier? Yes, this was coming this side a little bit, but now it's stuck. Okay, let it be. I'll use it later. I'll cut one small one and place that. Okay, so here is our beautiful vase ready. Miss, my connection gone. Oh. But it's available, I can see. I think some problem on your side. See, the beautiful flower vase is ready. Now here you can write your message, and you can write your message inside also. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the workshop. We'll be coming up with canvas painting tomorrow, and then Friday we will be having tuxedo, Father's Day special tuxedo card making. I'll be posting the details soon, what all you will need. And Father's Day special even canvas painting workshop is there. So if your fathers are interested, you can drag them, ask them to enroll. Okay. And don't forget to send me your pictures. Okay. Bye bye. Any doubts? Okay, let me take out the phone. If you have any doubts, just message me in the comments. Sorry. Okay, tell me. Hope you guys followed everything that I taught you. enjoyed today's session. These flowers are very means easy, and they can be they can be used for decoration at various places. It's your creativity where you want to use them. Okay, they look very pretty. So let's meet next Friday. Until then, bye bye.